the value realizations that I wanted to show you guys. I just take about 3 months, yeah, from August to October, and this is August is the starting point when we launch this particular big data analytics AI software in Dulang. So I just take 3 months. I couldn't take for 2 years. So on this particular 3 months, we have already have a value realized about 15.6 million, which is big, which is huge for us to get all the production, tripping avoidance, the cost avoidance, the reduction of process interruptions, and so on and so forth, equipment failures, and so on.